is a building revenue assessment? And why should you as an investor or a portfolio manager invest in something that is this large in terms of a piece of due diligence? Here are the 8 categories our building revenue assessment covers. Number 1, deed. The deed on the property you're trying to purchase, it needs to be reviewed before you purchase it. Number 2, legal. You need to have a legal review, an insurance review, and a code review so that you're not in trouble in any lawsuits and anything with the local government and any kind of coverage on your insurance. Number 3, land. That includes a survey and an ESA Phase I. Number 4, the business financials. We are going to review your P&L statement, your tenants, your logistics, and your capital reserve for the future. Number 5, building. We're going to include an equity PCA, an appraisal, a comparative sales report, a 3-level thermal scan, a hazardous materials scan, and a sewer scan in our building due diligence. Number 6, taxes. You're going to get a cost segregation study and a review of the taxes on the building for the last 5 years. Number 7, you're going to have an executive summary call where we review the findings with you at a high level just to make sure we don't miss any of those big ticket items. And number 8, you have the option to have renovation inspections performed by the same firm that did the initial inspections. So we can come in afterwards and make sure that your renovations and your repairs are done to the same standard that we expected them when we assessed the property. Those are the 8 levels of the building revenue assessment. Check us out at wbtc3.com.